So what topic could be more exciting than refinance rates and mortgage rates? Well, today we are going to talk about why it may make sense for you to consider refinancing your home, even if you just bought your home 4 or 5 months ago. Looking at today's rates, we're locking clients below 6% on a 30-year fixed. And not too long ago, we were locking clients over 7%. Not too long ago, meaning 4 or 5 months ago. So rates have certainly taken a dip, and I would strongly encourage you to reach out to your loan officer, reach out to your real estate agent, and see under what circumstances it would make sense for you to make the jump and go ahead and refinance. So today we're going to take a look at historic rates, where they are at today, and we'll talk more about when it may make sense to refinance.
So first of all, I need to share that rates for purchase money mortgages or buying a home, those rates are always going to be lower than refinance rates. Refinance rates are oftentimes 1/8%, 1/4%, even 1/3% higher than what we call purchase money mortgages. I don't know the reasoning behind that exactly, but they always are. So today we're going to look at this chart that's on my screen. This is the typical rate for a 30-year fix throughout history. This goes back to the 70s. This is a very long-reaching chart looking back to the 80s when people were paying upwards of 17 or 18% for their 30-year fixed mortgage. Pretty unbelievable. We're going to take a little bit of a zoomed-in approach today, look at the last year, and I wanted to point something out to you. When we look at October to about, I think it was early December of last year, 2022, we were locking clients in the near 7% interest rate range. And today, rates have taken a dip. The Fed says at 6.32, but actually today we locked clients below 6%. So this Federal Reserve chart is perhaps not the most up to date. So if you have a loan that's at the high 6s or even the low 7s for sure, you will definitely want to consider reaching out to your lender and inquiring about a refi. If you bought with our team's preferred lender, which is Neighborhood Lender in Charlotte, you would qualify for a no-cost refi. That means no appraisal fee, no origination, no costs whatsoever, and you would definitely want to explore those options. I would say to refi, if you intend to stay in the home for a number of years, it would definitely make sense. If you plan to eventually move out of the home and save it as a rental property, it would also definitely make sense to make this refi happen. But basically, if you are in that 6.75, 6.5 or up range, I would certainly reach out to a loan officer and see where things currently stand and what the cost structure would look like to get there. And of course, as a team, we are always here to help and guide you along the way.